cities. The word went out that junk, and this passage concerns a virus which occasions biological. No stemming the black market. Government concedes these alterations are genetically conveyed, giving rise to a well, we'll start with morphine and Ferrari derivatives. Some of these mutations are favorable and some unfavorable. Virus B23, now loose in our overcrowded cities, is spontaneous an agent that produces biologic change. For that strain. Which virus matter of survival, they will spread as far and fast as possible to destroy enemies and quite literally make friends. Junkies, however, are only lightly affected by the virus and remain characteristically unshared. Virus B23. Dr. Pearson was a discreet addict who kept himself down to 3 shots a day. Virus B23.